The year is 2026. The world hums with a new kind of energy. It is the sound of change. This change is happening fast, faster than ever before. Millions of hardworking people are asking one question. Will my job still be here tomorrow? This is not a distant worry. For many families, this is a clear and present danger. The ground is shifting beneath our feet. We must pay attention to the signs all around us. Think of the sprawling office parks on the edge of town. They are quieter now. Whole floors sit empty, desks clean and waiting. The lights are dimmed to save power. Down in the city, the hum is not from people, the low thrum of servers, the whir of automated systems. The market does not sleep. Deep inside gleaming laboratories, the new workers are being born. They do not breathe. They do not sleep. They learn. They are artificial intelligences. They learn at a pace that is hard to comprehend. They read every book, analyze every image, listen to every song. They learn our tasks, the tasks we once called our own. This is the future that has arrived, not with a bang, but with the silent processing of data. Look at the world around you. The change is already here. In the factories, robotic arms move with a grace and precision no human hand can match. They work 24 hours a day under the cold, steady glow of LED lights. In the stores, smart kiosks take our orders. They never get tired. They never make a mistake. In the offices, software writes reports, drafts emails, manages complex schedules. The result is unavoidable. A stark and simple truth. Let me tell you about Maria. For 10 years, she was a loan officer at a community bank. She knew her customers by name. She understood their lives, their struggles, their dreams. Her job was built on routine. One Tuesday, the bank rolled out a new AI system. A powerful software analyzed applications in seconds, with perfect accuracy. In a flash, Maria's work was automated. Her position was eliminated. She felt lost. The worry for her family was a heavy weight. Maria's story is not unique. There are millions of Marias. They are the human cost behind the headlines. Their experience is real. Their pain is valid. We cannot turn away. Then there is Sam. Logistics, automated. Same fear, same uncertainty. But instead of despair, he found a new path. This technology is a tool. Like any tool, it can build or break. The choice is in our hands. Some will automate aggressively, cut jobs, chase efficiency at all costs. The danger is real. But there is another way. Augment people, make work safer, remove drudgery, free human creativity. Invest in the workforce. Train for tomorrow. Create roles that didn't exist 5 years ago. Leaders must act. New rules, stronger nets, schools that prepare us to adapt. Companies must be accountable. The responsibility is shared. 2 futures, 2 choices. The one we get is the one we build. Together, we must choose wisely. The music shifts. The anxious drone fades. A soft, rising melody. A symbol of this hope is emerging. Global Aethel AI. Not just another tech giant, but a public pledge. AI that serves people, sharing gains with everyone. A beacon. Investing in retraining, partnering with schools, empowering small businesses. This is the moment to care. Turn anxiety into action. Learn. Push for fair rules. Support your neighbors. Champion ethical leaders. Subscribe. Follow. Join the conversation.